Hello, please prepare. Aka Aloha Velocilo versus Out, Noines Niña John Barro. Please prepare. Time. Winner, Aka Melvin Maverick Cabado.
Winner, Ao, Nicole
Winners,
Ridley. Winner of
Nicole
7th
Ridley,
Round New Big
Committed
Committed Girls.
Boys.
Congratulations.
Second bronze, Phineas Esguerra. First bronze, Scott Daniel Moreno. Silver. The winner, Niña John Barro. Please proceed to the tatami 1. The winner, Niña John Barro. On the mat now, 12 to 13 Intermediate Committee Girls. Aka, Emerald Angela Suling versus Ao, Jenaline Ray Mendoza.
Next on the mat now, Aka, Aloha Velocilo versus Ao, Noines Niña John Barro.